Hi! Good afternoon!
Hi, Mavi!
Hello, Mavi! Ayan, nandito tayo ngayon sa Jollibee Katipunan, celebrating your first birthday. And now, we'll go inside kung ano ang meron at sino-sino ang ating mga guests. Let's go!
I'm feeling like a brand new me. Brand new, brand new. Brand new, brand new. I blew away the clouds I was standing under. Traded all my rainy days for a little summer. I fly so high right now that I might not come back down.
Dami! Busy sila ngayon on the souvenirs. We have the party hats and the bag charm.
I'm feeling like a brand new me. For the very first time, I'm right where I'm meant to be. I'ma tell everybody I'm feeling like a brand new me. Brand new, brand new.
Angel! Now, dito tayo sa ating mga ninang. Meron kayong birthday wish for Mavi.
My birthday wish daw, good health and lagi susunod kay mommy and daddy and sanang na.
All I had to do was listen to that heartbeat down inside of my chest. The little voice in the back of my head saying, one day you'll be living a dream, you'll see. I'm feeling like a brand new me.
Tata!
Hi Mabi, wish ko sa'yo ay maging good boy and lagi sumunod kay mommy at daddy and kay tata.
And now, yung mga guests natin ay with Mommy and Daddy's friends. To start with, let's go to Tito Mel!
Happy birthday, Mavi!
Video yan, Mel! Our Jollibee friends! Please say happy birthday to Mommy!
Happy birthday, Mommy!
Hoping to show you today. Is it okay if we take a walk through the city?
Hi Mabi, happy birthday! Wish ko sa'yo ay lumaki kang may takot sa Diyos and sunod lagi sa mom and daddy. God bless!
Dito naman tayo. Nanay! Anong wish mo kay Mavi? Nasa video tayo.
Sana lumaking malusog. Tsaka lumaki siya ng isang kabuting bata.
And I wanna fly away with you out of the cityscape where no one is but you and I. Make our home in the sky and I'll hold on to the wings on your back. You're my angel in the flesh. I'll part the clouds to make our bed. It's our home in the sky. Goodbye to all the troubles we could be. Letting go of all the bad things.
Hello, Mavi!
Hi Mabi!
Happy first birthday from M&M Studio!
Oh, Wanits! Happy birthday daw ulit.
Happy birthday ulit, bebe!
Second day.
Happy birthday ulit, bebe ko! Good health always, tsaka grow up to be a very good boy.
And I wanna fly away with you out of the cityscape where no one is but you and I. Make our home in the sky and I'll hold on to
Happy birthday, Mavi!
Happy birthday, Mavi! It's all of
Those are your
guests.
visit guests. Oo nga. And then, we'll start the party again. Thank you!